Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. This week the activity picks up. We're going to present our formal review topic and discussion board number 7, your proposal and criteria activity. And then we're going to move towards formatting. I think by the middle end of the week, I will have together some examples so it will help everyone visualize exactly what we are doing in this particular assignment. I've just had my 2 fall 1101s in persons wrap up the review. I do have some excellent examples in those submissions, so I should be able to post some links for you to take a look at. So one thing I do want to touch on and I do want to emphasize here is if we take a look at the assignment, okay, we are doing a 2-part assignment. I just want to review this one more time. We're going to write a review article. This is just like an internet article you would see out there about movies or TV shows or any one of the multimedia genres. Okay, one thing I have to emphasize here, it's a multimedia genre. I am not entertaining the idea of any books in this particular assignment, in this review. So, that being said, I know I commented on Grey's Anatomy and just how difficult it would be to pull together a review on 16 or 17 seasons. I have seen a couple of posts about Harry Potter. Harry Potter is wonderful. Loved all the movies, seen each one of them several times. However, it would be better if you were to pick one of the Harry Potter movies and review that. It would enable you to narrow it down to a specific event in that particular instance. All right. So I just want to put that out there. Also, I want to make sure everybody is aware, everybody is looking at the textbook material. So for discussion board number 7, if we were to really look, let me get into the instructions here first. I'm asking you to write up a topic review, start building criteria. If you read section 7.1 and up into 7.5 in the textbook, and most of those sections in chapter 7 really give some great examples. I'll follow this a little bit more closely in the weekly lecture video. But I talk about a table 7.3 here, and this link should work. Should take us right to 7.3 here, and section this is going to be in 7.5. It's all about building criteria for your review. Okay, that's how we go about building reviews, is we establish some criteria, whatever it may be for your particular topic. Movies could be cinematography, could be plot line, could be special effects. It gives you a method or criteria to really evaluate. That answering the how and why and explaining and providing evidence. So I want to point out table 7.3 for the same reason here, that I want to make sure everyone is aware of the discussion board number 7. I have uploaded a template here for everyone. If you were to take a look here, I've posted up a template. You can click on this, download the template. It'll give you the format for the table 7.3 in the textbook. Right there, you should be able, let me close this off. We're going to enable editing. Just download this, save it to your drive. You can drop this, if you save it to your desktop, you can drop it in your Google Drive account. You can work in this. It is just a simple table format that you should be able to work in. Pretty pliable as you top the text, the boxes here. The table boxes will move with your typing and what you have there. So I think that if we were to get into, let me go back to the course unit here. Okay. Open this in another tab this time for the OpenStax. If we were able to get into right here, 7.5, here is the quick launch on developing evaluative criteria for table 7.3. Here's an excellent example of some of the characteristics, and you start building your criteria, moving into the subgenre. Okay, the book is pretty strong on this particular topic here, so you want to do this. I'll cover more of this on the lecture video this week. All right, so that'll be the template for discussion board 7. That's due on Tuesday. I kind of moved a little bit of the some assignments around, so just be aware. This is due on Tuesday. Responses, I believe, will be due on Friday, and then we move into drafting week next week in week 8. All right. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.